this, guys, is this Cadillac AT4 is what it said it was, right? ATS. Why is it listed as an AT4? So it's an ATS. Okay, so it's listed incorrectly. I see broken rims or dented rims, flat tires. I see some damage down here at the bottom. Rockers dropped. Some damage to the fender. A shit ton of stuff in here, mud, which means they probably went into a median and crashed into a guardrail. That's my guess. You can see the swipe here. So headlight though, totally reusable. I wouldn't even replace, even with these little cracks up here. Headlight's fine, man. Unless it got filled with water, then maybe I'd replace it. But the way it is right now, nah, I'd just use it. I'd literally replace this fender. I would even see if I could sand this out and just color spray. Oh wait, it's cracked down at the bottom too. I don't know, the bumper might even be able to be fixable. But fender, the door looks okay. The rocker, the door back here has some scuffs on it, but nothing too terrible, like nothing that doesn't look like it could be fixed. I see you got some mud and stuff here on the door where it looks like they may have left it open when they crashed. No airbags though. I mean, no airbags at all. The seat looks a little nasty. I'm a little scared to get in here, but oh shit, we're in here like swimwear. All right, was dinging for a second. Oh look, she fires right up. 50,000 on the odometer. Smells like raw. Boo. Smell. Is that a tampon? Oh, it's a tea bag. Oh man. Extra key right here. That's what's up. Everything else, I mean, this thing looks really good, man. I mean, the interior, it's really nasty in here, man. Somebody's just dirty. I don't ever understand people. I don't know, man. I don't know. It does smell kind of raw in here. But hey, power steering still works. So definitely going to need those tires to be replaced. Probably rims on that side, a rocker panel, the fender. You probably could make everything else work. But this car could be a pretty good steal. Look at this. I mean, you figure this is a 16, right? So it's considered, what, 4 years old, going on 5 now? 50,000 miles on the clock, though. That's not bad. That means it wasn't driven a lot. Let's see, reverse work. Yep. Now, this is a bit, I want to say a base model, but it's a base model. It's a 16, and it's got a very small infotainment center. It doesn't have the pop-up screen that you see in a lot of Cadillacs. It is the super basic radio. Though it does have XM. XM seems to be working. There's nothing up here. You know what I'm saying? Just a light. I mean, it's a basic car. Interior outside of the driver's seat looks pretty good. Doesn't look bad. It isn't too terrible. It ain't nasty, you know? I don't know. This could be something. I'll put it on my watch list. You never know, man. Sometimes you can get crazy deals out here. Like, people will just screw up and just not bid. You know what I'm saying? They'll blow their wad, especially if this is towards the end of the line. They've already bought all the cars that they want to buy, and then this one comes up. You know what I'm saying? So it's not bad. Let's see what happens. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you'd like to see a Cadillac. I mean, we got the Sedan DeVille d'Elegance right now, right? We got the Sedan DeVille d'Elegance right now, but hey, can't ever hurt for another one, right? Oh! Not bad, I have to say. Really, really not bad, you know? I have really no complaints. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to the Jeep squad. Smashed. All right, next on my list, because this thing just looked absolutely stupid when I saw it. Now, this has a 4.0 motor in it. Now, it looks like, oh, it's got to have a built motor, man. That thing must have a built motor. It's on airbags, right? Look at this. This thing is crazy, right? It's hammered to the ground. Look at that. It's literally on the ground. You can see the fuel tank is back here. The fuel pump, everything is right here. Look, it is literally sitting on the rail. Body work is sitting here, 97,000 miles on the clock. Can I even open the doors? They do open. But when I tell you it's sitting on the ground, it's sitting on the ground. Uh-oh. We need to go to the other side. Oh, yep, that's what happened. I didn't see it. Now I see it. Bent axle. bent axle, busted wheel. That side looks good. So it's just a bent axle and a busted wheel. Like, put a new rear end on it, and you probably could roll this, man. You probably could roll this. What do you want to think? You guys think it's got power? Oof, I'm afraid to get in here. I might not be able to get back up. I'm falling and I can't get up. Oh, shit. All right. Oh! We got power. Let's see if she starts. Come on, baby. Oh, wow. Look at that thing. Look at that motor. Hold on. I gotta give him some gas. Oh, shit. Look, it's got air things here for the suspension. Oh, let's see. Come on, girl. No. Says full tank, but evidently she is not pumping. Or the gas is just so bad. The rim and stuff is sitting right here too, where it broke off with the drum and everything still attached. Got all these empty wires and stuff in here. It's trying. I wonder if it broke something in the like oil pan or something. Like, the throttle is not working at all. Well, it does start. I mean, it turns over. So there is that. But is this thing... Oh, shit. Is it worth buying? I don't know, man. Oh! Whew. Whew. Had to climb to get up out of there. It's a cool little Ranger. I know somebody who would like this, though. Shout out to Weird Beard Auto Sales and his son that has that channel called Love Life. Yo, low love, right? Man. I don't know, man. There's a lot number. This one's not coming up till next week, but y'all can check it out. It's kind of cool, man. It's different, you know. I don't know. I wouldn't drive it. That thing hammered to the ground like that, I'm good. I'm straight. Never understood that, but it's cool though, right? You know, fuel tank and everything sitting back here. It's cool. And it doesn't look like it would be too difficult to fix, man. You know, rear end, find out why it's not running. You want to see if that motor's built? I know y'all probably want to see this motor, right? Let's look and see if we can lift the hood. Somebody just cut it, literally just cut it out, which I think is hilarious. Yo, someone straight just cut the hood. And there it is right there. Man, look at how the wheels and stuff just sit all the way up in here. And then you got to be getting rubbed, man. You got to be getting rubbed, and that bolt is right there. That's crazy, man. I never understood people that did this. Big old cold air intake on it. 4.0, man. I think those are the good motors for Ford, right? Well, there you have it. Oh boy, here we go. Toasty. Oh, and we got a toasty Buick too. Double toasty. Ouch. So guys, I've bid on this Cadillac like, wait, what the hell is that? Wow. This is a 2014 Toyota Avalon. Holy. It's got the wheelbase of the Corolla right now. Oh my God.
Finish him.
Well, I hope everybody in that one's all right, but that's some serious carnage for you right there, boy. Holy crap. Like, hell no. Back to this Cadillac. I've been on this Cadillac 2 weeks running, and every time I bid on it, somebody runs it up. But they, even the one time we won it, they don't accept the offer. The insurance company, which is USAA, is not taking the offers. I guess they think that they're going to get more than they are. But because it sounds so good, I wanted you guys to be able to hear this thing out here. 38,900 miles. This thing is so nice. Hold on. Here you go, guys. So, like I said, this Cadillac is super nice. I'm going to try to bid on it again this week. It all just depends on if the insurance company is going to try to let the damn thing go. Now, you guys said press on here, which I did. It's not opening. It's broken. Y'all said press here. I've done that. It's not opening at all. I thought it was something like this where you just push up, push in the center, and it would open. I also thought like here or here, but yeah, it's not opening. The touch sensitivity on this is broken, so that might be something else that's not working, I've tried swiping, nothing. And usually I think if you swiped on this, the screen also moved, but it's not. The volume control, is this working? Yeah, the volume is working, but this isn't working. So, go figure. Anyways, the Cadillac is still here. It is on my list again this week. It does have a new lot number, by the way. We'll see what happens. I want it. I really do. And then we see stuff like this. This just came out of nowhere. Damn. That's a Mustang. So like I said, what, a Mustang? It says 351 up on the top. 1970 Ford Mustang M1. Woo! Huh. A Mach 1. It's got some rust on it, but it's not too terribly bad. Damn. Okay, now I'm interested. It's got a Department of Defense tag on it. Hood pins. This right here could be a little steal. Could be a little steal right here. Look at the interior. I bet you this is all original too. And this, wait a minute. I was like, no, this is not a convertible. Why is the top? The top is just falling apart here on the inside, right? Yeah, you can see everything hanging down here. Man, look how much slop is in the steering. Like, who remembers cars from back in the day, right? Damn, look at the big Mach 1 stuff down there on the floor. It's got pretty much everything here. Does it have any lights or power? Of course not. Some dick left it to the on position to kill the battery. Of course they did. Fucking dicks, man. I'm so tired of that shit. I really am. I hope Copart does crack down on them. I did see out here they did ban a couple people already for doing that shit with the bikes. I hope now that they have the new camera system installed here that they catch people doing that shit with the cars too and just start banning them. Looks like they had a CB radio in here at some point. You see it was screwed in right here. Mic was right there. Last time we know for sure it was on the road was in 96 according to that inspection sticker. Spotsylvania, Virginia, huh? And we have a DOD sticker up top. This thing came in on February 25th, 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Y'all want to see the motor? I know y'all want to see the motor. Did I not pull the... Okay. All right, let's see if we can see it. Oh! Man, doors are heavy, man. Oh, this old girl right here, man, would be a steal for somebody, man. I'm telling you. Ooh. Hey, she still holds her own hood up. Look how long that hood is. 351, huh? I don't even know what that is, motor-wise. I'm not a Ford guy. I don't know American cars like that, but comment in the comment section below. What do you think this is? It doesn't look terrible, you know? The belts don't even look terrible. Though I see we're missing a belt right here. for the air conditioner. Why does that not surprise me? But everything else looks good. Look, they even just like got the thing taped off. Damn, man. This car right here could be a nice little restoration project. Like, I know Lunar's Outlaw Garage is into these old cars. Like, he's doing that Buick right now. I don't know if he's a Ford guy. I know somebody who, before they got into Corvettes, was a Ford guy. Randy. This might be up your alley, bro. Let me know what you guys think.